Hey guys, Will here with the RV Wholesalers Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to test your smoke alarm. So the manufacturer of this particular smoke alarm recommends that you test or check the batteries every 6 months or semi-annually. So to do that, pop off the top here, you're going to pull the battery out, and what you're going to do is you're going to inspect this battery for any type of corrosion. If you look here, you have the terminals that the battery touches. You want to inspect those for corrosion as well. Once you have done that, pop it right back in, close her up, and hold the test button until it beeps. So now we know that the smoke alarm is functional and the batteries are good, nice and charged. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.